Hello, today I'm going to do a review of the Sunix Folding Jigsaw Puzzle Board, which is made by Sunix, and there's a few of the key stats for this, key dimensions for this puzzle board. Okay, so jumping back to the beginning now, this is the box that it came in, and then I'm going to unbox the puzzle board, and you can see all the bits and pieces that come in this kit. Okay, so firstly, there are 4 of these plastic U-shaped brackets that hold the puzzle board flat and level. There's a Velcro strap that you wrap around it when you are finished using it. And then the main part of it is that sort of grey coloured board at the base, and there's also these four little baskets, puzzle piece baskets, that come with their own press studs built into them. So just 4 of those, and just need to push the little press studs together in each of the 4 corners, and that creates a basket, and inside that basket you pop some of your puzzle pieces to help sort and organise your puzzle pieces while you're doing the puzzle. Okay, there's the others. There's 2 blacks and 2 grey of those little baskets. And this is the puzzle board that all folds down into a compact shape, and then you fold that out and attach those black U-shaped plastic brackets, one on each side, to help keep the puzzle board nice and flat. And it's just a matter of pushing that black U-shaped bracket, one on each side, just across the join there, to hold the puzzle board, keep it nice and flat and firm, I suppose, so it doesn't flop all around the place. There we go. There's the 3rd one on now, and that'll keep that puzzle board fairly sort of rigid and flat while you're doing your jigsaw. Okay, so there we go. There's the puzzle board made up, plus the four baskets for the puzzle pieces, all made up and ready for me to start the jigsaw. Okay, so I've been at the jigsaw now for a few hours, and I've put together close to half the pieces, I'd say. I like to sit on the lounge and watch TV while I do my jigsaws, and there's the jigsaw puzzle board plus jigsaw in front of the lounge. So I'll just spin that around so it's facing the right way for the camera. Okay, that whole puzzle board's really quite light and easy to pick up. I sit mine on a little coffee table there while I do the puzzle, which seems to work quite well. And then it's easy to move around the house while I'm still working on the jigsaw puzzle. The jigsaw that I'm doing is Space and Science, our solar system, 500-piece puzzle, which is my favourite size. And you can see there's a lot of yellow in that puzzle. So what I've done is I've picked out all the yellow pieces and put those in one of those little baskets, separated them from the rest of the puzzle pieces, and then I'll work on that towards the end of the puzzle. So it sort of puts a whole big section of your puzzle pieces to one side, and then leaves the remaining puzzle pieces flat on your board, so you can work on and find the pieces that you need. And that'd be really good if the jigsaw actually had a big sky area which is all blue. You could put all those blue pieces into one or more of those little baskets, and separate them from the rest of the puzzle pieces, and make it easier to solve the section that you're working on. Okay, so that's the Sunix Folding Jigsaw Puzzle Board with the sizes and weight and stuff on it. Okay, I'm going to spin the puzzle board round now so I can continue on watching TV and finishing off this jigsaw puzzle. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.